Another Diecast episode for you guys from my channel Best Ever Toy TV. But before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and also don't forget to click the bell icon for you guys to get to know our latest uploads. So yeah, we are going to take a closer look at this. The 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab from Hot Wheels, of course. This was released last year. This is in orange and with some camos. Check out the art card here, pretty cool. The car itself resembles the art card quite well. And we'll open this one. Let's crack it open and check out this Land Rover here. I love Land Rover castings. Whenever I see one, I just appreciate all kinds of Land Rover castings. There are a lot of types of these Land Rovers, and this one here, this one is a good one. Check this one out in orange. It is not a glossy orange here, more like matte orange. You can see that one. And yeah, it has camos all over. So three-sided camo here. No camos on the roof and at the back. Only at the side. It says Nexen tire. On the hood here, Nexen tire. The camo is shiny, which is really cool. The side here, same on the other side, Nexen tire. Again, the camo is shiny here. You can see it reflects brightly. Yeah, the bed is black. Love this rims. I love it that they didn't made the rims chrome here. Yeah, because as you know, these chrome paints just fade away in time. So the front of the car has no details though. That would be an easy fix. I love this one here. Added details here. The back, no details though. Yep, again, easy fix for you guys who love to mod their cars. 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab, made in Malaysia. Yeah. Where was the car that had an elephant here? Yeah, this one from Matchbox. Thailand. It has elephant. Oh, this is different. Malaysia. Okay, just nothingness right there. So that's all for our quick diecast daily video of the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab from Hot Wheels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, like, subscribe to our channel Best Ever Toy TV. Next up, we'll take a closer look at this Burago here. Sneak preview. Bye bye guys, peace out, enjoy the rest of the day.